Good afternoon, parents. Today we are going to learn the letter formation of letter F. Capital F, small f. So let's start with the letter formation of capital F. For capital F, from the red line down the lane to the second blue line. Again on the red line from the top across to the right. Now from the middle across to the right again, that is on the first blue line, forms capital F. Let's see again the formation. It is down the lane from the red line to the second blue line. Again on the first red line from the top across to the right. Now on the first blue line from the middle across to the right again forms capital F. Let's see the formation of small f. From the red line, start up tall, make the head, then come down, make a tail and stop. Cross it in the middle on the blue line. First blue line makes small f. Let's see again. It is start up tall, make the head, then come down and make a tail and stop. Cross it in the middle on first blue line. Forms small f. The sound of capital F and small f is fish, frog, fan. Thank you so much.